In this video, you will learn how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. First, check your account verification and deposit. Make sure your trading account is fully verified and make sure that you have required the initial deposit. Unverified accounts and those without funding may have trading restrictions. Log in with the trading credentials. Use your main trading password, not an investor read-only password. Logging in with the wrong password can prevent you from retracing any trades. Check if the market is open and the symbol is active. Confirm that the market is currently open and the assets you are trying to trade is not restricted or inactive. Verify your trading, a valid instrument. Ensure the symbol or asset you're trading is available for your account type. Some brokers use suffixes or allow users and only specific instruments only. Ensure you have enough margin. If your account does not have enough available margin, MT5 will disable trading until you deposit more funds or reduce exposure. Now you know how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.